Hi, and welcome to 5 Minute Frequency Tune Up. How's your week been? We've had the Venus star point, which was incredible this week. We've also had the lineup of the 6 planets, and living here in the UK, the stars are so bright. What has actually been happening with you this week? I know that a lot of people are going through massive shifts. I'm Susan Kennard, and thank you for joining me on 5 Minute Frequency Tune Up. This is where we get to spend 5 minutes or so together and we see what the guides have in store. I feel today that they want to talk about authenticity. Now, that doesn't mean whether you're a nice person or not a nice person. Authenticity is really about living your authentic truth, okay? So you can't live your authentic truth if you're holding on to emotions such as shame, guilt, and judgment. We loved the series of workshops that I've been holding actually. So our group has loved it, and you can purchase them as well. I'll put the links below. But we did a whole workshop on releasing shame. And so when you hold shame, obviously it's really hard to manifest in your life. And we did judgment this week as well. So judgment, like, do you judge yourself? Do you feel that others judge you, etc.? And what that does is it stops us from living our true, authentic self. Okay. So let's see what the guides have in store. I'm just going to see who wants to come in. Okay. Bear with me a second. So I want you to come into your heart space. Melchizedek is here, but many of the others, Kuan Yin, many of the other ascended masters. So just come into your heart. And what I'm being shown is this beautiful star. So this might be connected to the Venus star point. So just imagine a beautiful star in your heart. This is what I'm seeing first of all. And then imagine a star under your feet, which is your Earth star. I'm hearing the guides talking, so that's why I'm smiling. And then above your head, imagine your soul star and a beautiful beam of light coming down. And now let's take a breath. So let's breathe in and hold. So breathe in through your nose if you can, and hold your breath for as long as you can. And then when it doesn't feel comfortable anymore, just release your breath. Good. And let's do that again. Breathe in and hold and release when you need to. I'm just going to do it one more time. So breathe in and hold and then release. Good. Okay, so I want you to imagine, this is what I'm getting here. I want you to imagine that you're looking up into the stars. Ah, that's lovely. And just imagine that you were connecting with your hopes and dreams. You know, what you really want to achieve in this lifetime. How do you want to serve humanity? What is it that would make you so happy? And just send that thought up to the stars. Send your hopes and dreams up to the stars. And you might like to imagine that it's kind of written in the stars so that the words of your hopes and dreams are written in the stars. So I want you to imagine that that star that you had in your heart, that we placed in your heart, just imagine that that star is beaming up into the star system. And so as that's happening, you're connecting with your hopes and dreams. Oh, wow, this is so cool. And your hopes and dreams are being connected to your heart. And feel the feeling of your hopes and dreams being part of who you are now. And I'm just hearing a tone here. So this is a Metatron. I'm just hearing a tone coming in, which is going to activate your hopes and dreams into your heart. Here we go. Just checking my microphone's on. This is Metatron coming in here. And I get like a magenta gold frequency, okay? So take a deep breath. Just feel the expansion of your hopes and dreams within your heart. And I want you just to say within your heart or out loud, I stand in my sovereign birthright, and I am worthy of my dreams. So come back to me. Come back to your heart center. And now just connect in with how you feel. How do you feel? You've connected in with that star point in your heart. You've connected in with the star system. And now those hopes and dreams have been activated within you. So I'm excited for you. And I'm really excited for you in these next 6 months because we are on such a ride. If you're listening to this, then you are either on your awakening journey or you've been on your awakening journey for a long time. So I'm excited to have you. Thank you for subscribing and liking, because what that does is it allows other people to find these videos, and share it if you think somebody will benefit. Much love. I'll leave you the links below. And if you want to know more about me, go to my website, susankennard.co.uk. You can join our soul family where we step together each month and we spend private time. You can get discount sessions with me, half price galactic chambers, healing chambers, and all of my workshops and astrology events are free in the membership. Much love now and enjoy this weekend. Lots of love.